Yo, what's good, gang? It's currently very early in the morning. I think it's like almost 8 o'clock. Hold on, let me see. Literally 7:59 on the dot. So it's very early in the morning. Today's video, I'm taking y'all along to, it's like a photo shoot. I don't know if they're doing video, but I know for a fact it's a photo shoot for Minimal. So shout out to them. All of my links and codes and stuff will be down in the description. So if you want anything from this shoot, you should check that out. But today I'm going there. I'm styling my own looks, and they're doing more of like a different spread or layout when it comes to rolling out this stuff. So I will be styling the stuff for the festival season. As y'all know, Coachella, Rolling Loud, all of that stuff is coming up. So I'm styling looks that kind of relate to that type of style. So if you're looking for anything to wear for this festival season, you can go look at my catalog. By the time this video is out, I think the shoot will also be out. So I'm gonna take y'all over to this rack that I had put together, which I pretty much just have some stuff in addition to what they're gonna be having on the rack. So I got some more extra minimal stuff in there. I also got some shoes that I'm gonna be bringing along. Don't mind all of that's on the side. But other than that, I'm gonna bring you guys along. Y'all know I always gotta bring y'all when it comes to styling and stuff like that. So I'm bringing y'all along to the shoot. It's a nice location and everything, but I'm gonna take y'all along and you are gonna see. So make sure you go down, smash the like button right now. I need you to smash the like button. Like, we need to up the channel. Like, I've been trying to produce videos. I need y'all to put y'all's work in, hit the like button, subscribe and all that. But we're gonna go ahead and head out. Oh yeah, follow me on Instagram too, at Jadon Grundy. I'll put it right there. Fire pictures, bro. You know what I'm saying? If I do say so myself. But let's go.
Yeah, don't rain no toast to me. Don't stand so close to me. If you ain't here, then you ain't supposed to be. You wasn't here when they.
Alright, so we at the spot right now. About to take everything, put it on the rack, and then kind of like look at the spot and see what's going on. But catch y'all in there.
Oh, hi.
Hey, how's it going?
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
We just got into the location capture where we can put our stuff. Here, that opens this wardrobe, and this is like the restroom. We're allowed to use it here.
Is the rack what she has out there already to put everything on?
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
cool.
exactly. And then we brought like hangers and stuff too, so we'll make like what we're hanging on the rack look pretty or whatever.
Yeah.
But you guys can just like chill out.
All right, cool.
We're not done setting up.
No, it's all good. I just wanted to come
I
early.
didn't know that all this furniture would be like out here, so I want to like move some of it.
Okay.
Yeah, because I pictured like us shooting out here.
Cool.
So.
All right. Cool. Thank you. It's a nice location. Huh. It's more decent. Man. This whole thing is just like a house, low key, like a little guest house. Got a little bathroom in this joint. So they're not ready, so we're gonna like walk around and see what they gotta go. That's right here. We'll cook a little bit.
Space is dope.
Yeah, this is a great location.
Awesome.
Was this on like, how'd you guys end up getting this?
Gigster.
Gigster?
Yeah, Gigster, yeah.
Dang, I never heard of that. I usually hear people get stuff from like Peer Space and stuff
Yeah,
like
that's what we were
Same
looking
kind of
to.
thing.
Mm-hmm. Similar, yeah, but I think Gigster has more like houses and stuff.
that.
Okay, so
Is
you,
that like-
so here's my thing. You like this type of house,
It's cool.
but you wouldn't live in it though. Cause I feel like this.
Like I would, but like I wish it was like I would change some stuff. You know
I
what I'm
feel like
saying?
this is such like the bohemian type thing that you're like, I don't like it.
Kind of, sort of, but it's like nice for what it is. Like it's I think because it's like finished and decorated. You know what I'm saying? It's like dark stuff. Like if this
Yeah.
is the same thing, but like more like.
But
black
still
and
with
white
like the
rather than like brown.
yeah, but still with like the plants and stuff.
Yeah.
Look at the tub. Oh my god. Whoa. You can even look in here.
All right, so we are here. Y'all already kind of seen like the set and everything, but got a whole bunch of minimal stuff lined up right here for the shoot. I kind of already have like some pre-planned outfits, so I'm gonna just go over it, but kind of show y'all the rack at the same time. We're gonna start off with the outfits I'm actually gonna wear, you feel me? But this first look, hold on, I'm gonna bring up the screen record. All right, so boom, got the inspo right here. I'm gonna probably put it up on the screen somewhere, but this first look it's probably gonna be this cardigan right here that I actually don't have yet. So I'm probably gonna need to grab this joint after. But got that paired along with these leather flare pants. Then I got, what else I got? And then the Ricks. So the Ricks, and then to finish the outfit off, we got this camo bucket hat right there. So it's gonna be that. Next fit I think is going to be, I had this jacket paired in here. We're going to kind of see how this looks along with maybe like a white t-shirt underneath this hat right here, which is actually pretty fire. It got like some paint speckles and stuff like that. So you already know how I get down with the trucker hats. But we got that. We got some cargos right here. Then what else we got? I think for the shoes, I've got these New Balance 550s right here. So that's gonna be the second fit. We got flannel. We got the flannel. Then we got a t-shirt under that. Probably gonna do like more vintage style tee that they have up here. And then I'm gonna do these that are literally like fresh and new on the website. Haven't even scooped these myself. So these are crazy. They got a whole bunch of different like stitch details and stuff like that. So super wild pair of denim. That's gonna be a fire look. For the shoes, I haven't quite picked it out, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep it calm on the bottom with some Air Forces. So I think that's gonna be the look. I think here's my favorite look. It's my favorite joint right here, right? You ready? This cardigan, right? Oh, I gotta put that mug back on the hanger. Then I have a t-shirt underneath that, and then I have my own hat, which I don't know how I didn't just grab it. I'm wildin'. But got these right here, which actually aren't mine. But look, check me out. I bought my own Mason Miharas, but these ones, dang near crazier, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. Like, they got the little leopard print, fuzzy and all that. I'm gonna do that along with these painters right here, which are fire. Got a nice like light wash with like light paint, light blue and white. Oh, then this is gonna be like the super festival look right here. So you got the tie-dye t-shirt, right? Yellow in there. You see where I'm going with it. I think I'm gonna throw it with these, you know what I'm saying? The Easy Knit Runners. Then I got, what else I got? I think I'm gonna just like wild out and go with these and kind of like pair that together, and then put on this other minimal beanie that I have along with some off-white shades. So hopefully that looks pretty fire. But I think that is all 5 looks for today. So should come out very dope. Everything is crispy clean, the location is clean, so should be a nice shoot today.
Yeah, I know they see it. They do. It been getting too hard to ignore me. Yeah. I can't light this blunt outside, it's storming. Yeah. I can't drive my Owen cause it's boring. That's the crazy part about it all. Ain't believe me, now they all involved. They thought I was playing, I ain't laugh at all. I was tripping by that shit, but now I'm cooling off. I was tripping by that bitch, but now I'm going up. That normal shit too boring for me now. I need a foreign outside my house. I do more than she could wrap her mind around.
Am I gonna be in your way? Do you wanna like over there?
I'm not sure yet. Let me figure out this lighting.
I just wanna like walk in front of you.
Yeah, but
Some mama ain't gotta do nothing. About to board another plane. New city, I don't know the name of it. It's 2 to 3 to give me where I want. She don't fuck with me, told her fair enough. You stony on me, gotta layer it up. They got a lot to say, but I ain't hearing none. Got a couple nights at Sheridan. Say you got a man, that ain't fair to him. I can do it better, no comparison. Slide whenever I let you in. Let me know when you in town. If not, I won't trip about it. I don't have that mentality. Swear I won't cross any boundaries. Let me know where your mind is. Be honest with me, I don't mind it. Let me know where my light is, cause I can't get my eyelids up. Yeah, I know they see.
There you go.
I'm not a dancer, so.
I'm not a dancer. I'm a silent dancer.
Right.
Yeah. Smoke clearing out the room, smelling like the woods. She gon' tie me by the pool, then I tell her good looks. I'ma say that I'm a fool. I was never reading books. I'ma take it to the moon. Yeah, this shit for the books. Tryna work, she tryna flirt. I got some rent due. Pull up a surgeon, like hurry, and I intend to. She need a shirt, give her some merch. She represented to. Poppin' the curve.
Alright,
we got like 2
So,
seconds.
dude, we got like the tiger fit, dude, and then we have like the camo, cause like I hunted the tiger, and then I have the thing on. You know what I'm saying? And then yeah, this is look number what? 3, 4? This is 4? I think this is 4. Look 4. Yeah.
Back then, got a little more traction, bro, a little more attractive. It been a while, ain't been home, came back with an accent. I'm mad that I talk different. I ain't know who I was back then. Fuck it, I'll do it on my own. I need my money, my law. Fuck it all up, I'ma write it off. Big body, I'ma swerve it all. I'ma make this shit happen, I promise you, mama. Blow up and I'll buy a house where you want it. Cover everything, no problem. Give you everything, no drama. Smoke clearing out the room, smelling like woods. She gon' tell me by the pool, then I tell her good looks. When you said it, I'm a fool. I was never reading books. I'ma take it to the moon. Yeah, this shit for the books. Tryna work, she tryna flirt. I got some rent due. Pull up a surgeon, I hurry and I intend to. She need a shirt, give some merch. She represent too. Popping the curb in the suburban, doing 6'2". I ain't got shit to lose. Yeah, how I really do. I'm moving in the mood. Don't be so difficult. Tell me that you won't forget about me. I don't even know her last name. 105 in my home county. Can't nobody tell me shit changed. Fuck it, I'll do it on my own. I need my money, I'm fuck it all up, I'ma run it up. It's a big body, I'ma turn it up. I'ma make it happen, I promise you. Blow up and I'll buy a house for you. Cover everything, give you everything, no drama.
Alright, so the shoot is finally over. That is a wrap. It actually didn't take that long. It's probably only like 1 o'clock right now. We got out here about 9 something. So wrapped up everything. I did 6 outfits that y'all will be able to see throughout the video, but I'm gonna grab some more pieces. I don't know what I'm gonna grab yet, honestly. I think I gotta grab these for sure because I don't have these yet. But shoot, I don't know. Like, they just got some joints in here. Like, I already got these, but you know what I'm saying? I might have to grab these, low key. But yeah, man, that's a wrap. I don't know. We about to go get something to eat. It's actually pie day, so we finna go head over to Blaze and grab us some pizzas for literally $3.14. So that's pretty much it for the video, but I'll take y'all along for that too. So yeah, man. Hi there, boy. Let's get it.
I should be worried about myself instead of worried about you. I've been up all night in these YSL boots. You leave my mind for a day, but you back for round 2.